All right, happy Sunday. Just woke up, got coffee. Thought I'd make a bedhead video. I haven't made a bedhead video in a while. Very good. All right, so here it is. It's an XY day. And a whole pile of cards in this one. So this promo here, that'll be a good one for you. And we have 2 Evolutions packs. And I love the Venusaur packs. I always get my best stuff out of Venusaur packs. So that's there too. But we're going to start with the promo. Alright. Put the promo down first. So this was out of the, I think it was the Mythical set. I'm not positive though. It's either the Mythical set or the Shaman set. I'll know in a second. So here's the Victini, the Celebi. They're all hollow. The cosmic hollow thing they do. Jirachi. Keldeo. Darkrai. Oh, it's the Volcanion set. Okay. So in this promo, you'll get all these cards. And there it is. So make sure you comment below. Let me know if you got this one. I'd like to know when you guys claim the codes. The Mythical Collection Box Volcanion is what that code is for. So pause the video, punch it in, and let me know. Alright, now let's get on with these Evolutions packs. People either love the Evolutions packs or they hate the Evolutions packs. That's just the way it is. There you go, there's a code. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know what you pull. Maybe you'll get a reverse Charizard. A reverse hollow Charizard. Alright, we got Seal, Charmander, Magnemite, Water Energy. Remember today is Blastoise Community Day. Get the Squirtle Squad out there. We got Growlithe, Energy Retrieval, Nidorino. Oh, double colorless energy. Our reverse hollow is a Super Potion. And it's far-fetched. Alright. It's up to Venusaur now. Okay. There's your code. Just tuck that away there. I don't want to see what the code color was. Oh. Things are flying all over the place on me. Onyx. Magikarp. Oh, Magikarp's always lucky. Fighting Energy. Staryu. Tangela. Super Potion. Look at this. You can see something sneaking back here. Something good in here. Brock's Grit. Maintenance. Oh, the reverse hollow. Eradicate. Normally when you get to Eradicate, you go, oh. Today, he's reverse hollow. And we got a Mega Slowbro EX. So, again, the Venusaur cover of the Evolutions delivers. Can't believe how consistent it is. But I'll go back and we'll take another look at all these other cards again. There you go. So there was the Volcanion. Alright. The Darkrai. Darkrai cards always look good. Keldeo. Giving you an over-the-shoulder pose there. Look at that. Jirachi. Celebi. And Victini. I always like Victini when I'm playing the video game. Alright. And that was our pull of the day. I'll see you tomorrow.